It is vital to be conscious of our impact on the environment. It's our responsibility to the planet and future generations. But how does business reconcile these responsibilities with economic targets? Global markets face complex challenges. Market volatility, data, and teams spread around the world whilst having to still manage business processes in real time. It's easy to be overwhelmed by the demands of finding workable solutions. By intelligently linking data across different platforms, technology can provide sustainable solutions and still deliver growth. But how to navigate the maze of system and implementation options, identifying the areas that deliver greatest success? This is what we do at Zenit. With over 30 years of experience in consultancy and implementation of IT systems, we guide you towards the most effective way of attaining your objectives. Our solutions connect people, data, and processes, managing information and workflows in a collaborative way with a single source of truth and the right data in real time. Zenit opens up a whole new approach to sharing experiences across the value chain, helping you to make the right decisions. Welcome to the world of the Ready To family. We have bundled pre-configured packages that allow you to build a unique digitization roadmap. Our Ready To Connect package, for example, enables robust data management between 3D experiences and SAP for better decision-making, providing digital continuity with seamless data and process flow enterprise-wide. Our Ready To Simulate package enables design-based numerical simulation at any level of expertise across a variety of tools and seamlessly integrates into the 3D experience platform. Simulation-driven design allows you to find non-intuitive solutions to complex problems. The result? Increased efficiency, improved design decisions, and reduced development times. The Ready To Manufacture package addresses production planning tasks and is fully integrated into the 3D experience platform. Our 3D-based planning environment enables intuitive creativity, visual validation, and management of manufacturing processes. Thanks to our bundled packages, implementation can start instantly. Effort is minimized, accelerating productive rollout. Zenit focuses on process orientation, enhancing consistency across your value creation processes. Our Ready To solutions simplify your digitization journey. Benefit from scalability by connecting additional business processes as part of your end-to-end integration. Zenit's go-to-market model is based on fixed-price packages, giving you access to a best-in-class software platform and services. As well as business acceleration, our software and service packages will bring you closer to your sustainability goals, be that through data-driven efficiency gains or digital innovation. It's time to act. Start your sustainable digitalization journey today with Ready To packages only from Zenit.